ask someone, does this make my butt look big? Yes. Well, we all want to look great in our favorite jeans or pants styles. Dr. Bill Johnson of Innovations Medical is here to explain several techniques to help give you the shape and lift we want back there. Hello, Dr. Bill.
Good morning.
I ask that question all the time. In fact, I want them to come out with Spanx for bathing suits, but they're probably not going to do that.
I don't think that's in the future.
So there are treatments that are available to help reshape the backside. What are they, Bill?
Well, a lot of folks just need a little lift and maybe a little tightening, and Thermage is a great choice for that. So it uses radio frequency heating to tighten the skin, and it's probably about the best procedure out there for doing cellulite on the buttocks. So it's real nice. But we have a lot of other things. You can kind of tailor what you need depending upon what your desires are back there.
Okay, so Thermage we know is a known and trusted way to shape and to tighten. But if you want more with size, say, what things can we use for that?
We go both ways sometimes on size. So we do a lot of liposuction combined with fat transfer. So we can kind of shape the buttocks with the liposuction and then take that fat and put it back into the butt to make it more lifted and give it a fuller, more rounded appearance.
Yeah, that's pretty good, because you would think when you first hear fat transfer and you think the butt, you think I maybe don't need volume back there, but when you see it in action, it actually does shape and
it really can really make from a kind of shapeless posterior to a very nice shapely one. Okay,
what if I need lift and shaping but I don't want to add volume?
Yeah, if you don't want much volume, you like the size, but you feel like you've kind of fallen, we've got a new technique that we're calling the Brazilian thread lift, and it's a suture lift. We're using sutures or threads, and it's really nice because it's done in the office under local anesthesia, 2 1-hour sessions. And what makes it special is the sutures have little cones that cause your body to develop ligaments, so that when we come back and lift, it's a very smooth, even lift. So we can get lift and a nice round look without having more volume.
Yeah, okay. And so that's a really exciting innovation there, because I have not heard that too much before.
Yeah, it's brand new to this part of the country. There's only a couple other practices in the United States doing it.
Okay, so can you combine these procedures together?
Yeah, in particular, we combine a lot of the fat transfer with the string lift, the thread lift, so that we can get a lot of lift and then a little more fullness and volume for those that need that.
Okay, and the consultation process becomes very important so that you can see which combinations you need. Before and afters always speak volumes, if we can use that term. So let's take a look at some of your clients and explain what we're seeing here, what procedures they had done.
Well, this is the combination of the Brazilian lift or fat transfer and the thread lift. So you can see before it's very flat and kind of shapeless, and afterwards not only have we shaped it but given it much better definition and a rounder, fuller appearance.
Okay, how about here?
This is the thread lift by itself, and it's just kind of fallen in the first picture, and when we came back and did the Brazilian thread lift afterwards, you can see now we're back up where we would like it and have a little bit fuller appearance as well.
When do we see these results? Are they pretty immediate?
The fat transfer is pretty immediate, although we really think of it being about 3 months before you're looking at your final results. And the same is pretty true with the thread lift, because when we do the initial placement, we place the sutures and then we wait for about 3 months so those little ligaments form. And we come back in 3 months and pull it tight, and then from on that second session, you see exactly where you are. In fact, we can adjust it if we like to.
That's good. Options for everyone, Dr. Bill. Thank you so much for joining us today. And if you want more information, just log on to the website. It's innovationsmedical.com, or call the Dallas location 214-420-7970, and over in Fort Worth 817-744-7901 for a consultation. And as always, if you have a question for Dr. Bill Johnson, just drop him an email at questions@innovationsmedical.com. Chris?